Have you noticed that your money doesn't go as far as it used to? That's inflation. Inflation is when prices rise over time, and the value of your money slowly goes down. When inflation increases, the prices of everyday items like food, fuel, and household goods also go up. Things you used to buy cheaply now cost much more. Even though the amount of money in your wallet stays the same, what it can buy becomes less. This means your purchasing power is reduced. Transportation and daily expenses are also affected. Higher fuel prices lead to increased transport fares, making everyday movement more expensive. If your money is only sitting in savings without growing, inflation slowly eats away its value. Over time, your savings can buy less than before. For many people, salaries stay the same, while the cost of living continues to rise. This gap creates financial pressure and makes budgeting harder. As prices rise, people are forced to adjust their lifestyle, cutting back on spending, choosing cheaper options, and delaying personal goals. To protect your money from inflation, you need to budget wisely, reduce unnecessary spending, and invest in assets that can grow over time. Inflation is unavoidable, but being financially smart makes a big difference. When you understand how inflation works, you can make better decisions and protect your wallet.